fẹ́? Ṣé ó parọ́ ni tí wọ́n ṣe ti fẹ́? Ṣé ó parọ́ ni?
Dúró. Ladi. Ẹjọ́ kì í ṣẹjọ́ ẹni. Má mọ̀ dá.
Breaking. Trending. Happening. Subscribe. Let's get on it.
Welcome back to my channel, and the topic we'll be looking at is the case of Baba Ijesha, who has pled not guilty to the case of sexual assault laid before him. The actor, popularly known as Baba Ijesha, was arraigned at a special offence and domestic violence court in Ikeja earlier today. The actor was tried over charges bordering on rape, sexual assault, and abuse of a minor by the Directorate of Public Prosecutions in Lagos, and he appeared before Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo. And apparently, the state filed a 6-count charge against the Baba Ijesha, however, pleaded not guilty to all the charges leveled against him. The prosecutor, Mrs. Adeyemi, asked for a trial date while asking the court to remand the defendant in correctional facility pending commencement of his trial. However, Baba Ijesha's legal defense team, which was led by two senior advocates of Nigeria, Babatunde Ogalasan and Mr. Dada Awushika, along with 17 others, informed the court that they had filed a bail application and have served same on the prosecuting team. The prosecuting attorney, Mrs. Adeyemi, opposed this by stating that her team was yet to verify the medical report, which the defense team relied on for his bail consideration. However, in the short ruling, Justice Taiwo granted the request of the defense team and asked the parties to argue the bail application. The defense team argued that based on the presence of credible sureties, then the accused should be granted bail. Upon hearing both arguments, the judge granted the defendant, Baba Ijesha, a bail in the sum of 2 million naira. And the judge stated that the bail is a constitutional right and not a discretional bailing given the laws of the country. She said she was granting him bail to release him from custody of the law and entrust him to appear for trial when required to. The judge also re-emphasized the fact that the freedom was temporary in the sense that it lasts only for the period of the trial. And of the two sureties provided by the defendant, one had to be a resident of Lagos State, a tax-paying resident of Lagos State at least for the past 3 years, and the second surety must be a legal practitioner. So that was also sorted out during the defense. And so as at now, Baba Ijesha has been granted bail and is free for the meantime. That is the update on the situation. And as we know, there has been just two schools of thought as to this whole situation. And I think these two people can really capture the essence of both sides of the prevailing arguments. Blessing Okoro captures the sentiments of mothers as to the safety of their children, while Yomi Fabi captures the arguments of the right to bail as a human right.
But I will not stay in this life and watch a man damage my child, and the man still walks on the surface of this earth, gets married, have children, and my child will be damaged. Tomorrow, society will come and blame me that I brought up an ashawo, an unproductive child, a damaged child. Society will blame me. I will take all the torture, and you walk. I will make sure I send you to jail. And I am saying it for those people who care to listen. If you molest my child, me as Okoro Blessing, I am speaking for myself as a mother. If you molest my child, it's except you molest my child and take my life. But so long as you molest my child and I'm alive, I will kill you and go to jail. I will kill you and go to jail. I would rather be in jail and you are 6 feet under the ground, so that when you die, people go, they say, hey, yeah, pity the woman now. The man don't die now.
Which was, even the suspect himself didn't want me to protest. He assumed I am doing it for him. I said, I am not doing it for you. I'm doing it for every innocent person, every human being out there, including visitors that come to Nigeria. I want people to be able to come to Nigeria and enjoy. We travel to other countries. We enjoy. Our children, our brothers, our sisters, our mothers, they are out there in countries. Even when they overstay their visas, they enjoy human rights. That is why they can be able to be sending money to us to survive. Why in our own country, you as an adult cannot stand up for what is right? It also says a lot about the legal and the litigation orientation of the Nigerian public. I understand he was granted bail. To me, whether he missed the bail or not, whether it is too high or not, what I know is that he has never been granted it. He doesn't even enjoy the bail. And whatever the case may be, this is Nigeria. My own is, you all can support that he should be held in detention for as long as you want. I will continue to say, kill me after, do whatever you want to do. Abuse of human rights will continue to abhor this court.
We can all agree that behind the concept of justice lies the notion of balance, a reward for what is good and punishment for what is evil. But oftentimes we impute into justice our desire for revenge. Perhaps we attach to justice connotation of right and good simply to make ourselves feel better about our need to balance these scales. But sometimes the concept of justice is not as we think. I would like to know your opinion on the whole situation. You can leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It just helps with the algorithm and all.